Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create and manage marketing campaigns in Hubspot CRM. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hubspot CRM account, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Hubspot? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, and once you do that, locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type hubspot.com. It's going to take you to the official website for HubSpot. Once you get in there, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the Get Started for Free button. Click on that and follow through with the process to create an account or to sign in using an existing account. Now, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in HubSpot. Now that we're here, let's learn how to create and manage marketing campaigns. From your homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple tabs: Contact, Conversations, Marketing, Sales, Commerce, Service Automation, and Reporting. So go ahead and click on Marketing, and it's going to take you right here to the standard menu where you have ads, email, landing pages, down to campaigns. So go ahead and click on Campaigns. I'd like you to keep in mind that for you to unlock your campaign features, you have to subscribe to the Marketing Hub Professional. How do you do that? Go ahead and click on Start a free 14-day trial, or you can talk to sales. But meanwhile, once you head over to the campaigns window, this is what it's going to look like. This is what they're going to show you, or it's going to just take you to a homepage. So from that homepage, I'm going to show you what you can do right here. So from the homepage, so marketing campaigns, now in the top right corner of that homepage, once you get to campaigns, you're going to find the create campaign button. Now go ahead and click on create campaign. All right, if it's your first time creating a campaign, it's recommended to use the guided onboarding experience. So first, you can, in the create your first campaign that dialog box, go ahead and click on help me get started for them to, of course, show you how to get started. Then follow the guided step. All right, or if you're already familiar with the campaign, then click on I'll do it myself. So you're going to see the create your first campaign that create your first campaign. You're going to find help me get started, and you're going to find I'll do it myself. So you can choose any of these two. All right, so in the right panel, you're going to see start from template. You're going to see the start from template. So click on that, and once you click on that, go ahead and click next. Now in the right panel, configure your campaign details, and after creating your campaign, you still be able to edit your campaign details, right? So you're going to find the content details after clicking on next. So these are the campaign details, right? Your campaign name, campaign color, you have your business unit, campaign owner, campaign start date, campaign end date, campaign goal, campaign audience, and currency code. This is what it's going to look like. This is what the window is going to look like once you click on that next. So edit your details, campaign name, all of this can be edited even after creating your campaign. So you can even add goals. And how do you add goals? Once you get to campaign, after creating your campaign, go ahead and click on the name of the campaign you want to add a goal to, and then click on actions. Once you click on actions, then click on edit goals. You can see all of these tabs there. So click on that, and in dialog box, enter a goal number. That's for sessions, new contact, influence contact, and then click on save. This is what it looks like. So select your goals for here. These are the options. You have to fill them out and click save. And then the next, you can even add assets and contents to your campaign. How do you do that? Once you get to campaign, click on the name of the campaign that you've created, and the upper left, click on actions, and then click on add assets. Once you do that, go ahead and select the asset type in the left sidebar menu to add to the campaign. So you can even add an existing asset. So use the search bar to search for assets, and then once you're done, click on save. So that's it. And then the next is to create tracking URLs for your campaign. How do you do that? Once you get to campaign, click on the name of the campaign, click on actions. You're going to find at the upper left corner of your screen, and then click on create tracking URL. And then in the right panel, enter a URL, then select a UTM campaign and add a source. You can also specify a UTM medium, UTM term, and UTM content. This is what it's going to look like when you're creating your tracking URL. So add URL, add your UTM campaign, and then source, then UTM source. And all of that. Once you're done, go ahead and click on create, and that's going to be done. So you can review your campaigns in the marketing calendar. How do you do that? Head over to campaigns, and then go ahead and click on the calendar tab. So click on the calendar tab, and it's going to take you to a window that looks like this. Then go ahead, so click on the calendar, and then click on campaign. Once you click on campaign, you're going to see the campaign calendar where you can now manage and monitor it properly. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.